Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate y'all checking in. Okay, I'm not stopping either. Appreciate y'all for checking in. I am here today, as the title says, to do a lock update video with you guys. As of my mind went blank. As of February the 12th, I'm officially 1 year and 6 months locked. So yay! Hey, y'all. We definitely had some hang time. We definitely had some swinging. Like I said, it's been 1 year and 6 months into this game, and this is the happiest I've been with my hair. Honestly, this particular retwist, this particular month has been the happiest I have been with my hair, y'all. It's been a little rough, actually. I am still enjoying my locks. I'm not regretting my decision to lock my hair whatsoever. But I definitely was going through. So, since my last update, as you can see, clearly my hair is growing. So I'll give you guys a full 360. So hopefully you guys saw all that. Nothing much has changed in regards to like scalp or anything. I don't have any new issues. The biggest issue that I was having with my locks were the front half of my hair. I discussed in my last lock video, I was not happy with my grid in the front of my hair, and that was something that I was actually working on. And indeed, I am much happier with my grid right now. It is not perfect whatsoever, like perfect straight lines, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's livable. I have decent lines, and I'm cool with it. I am cool with the lines that I have. Basically, what's been frustrating me, and mostly with the front of my hair, is the roots of my hair. Now, I'm not one of those people, I no longer get my hair retwisted every month and a half. That's something I did in the beginning. The first maybe 5 months, maybe even the first year, the majority of the year I was going like every month and a half, maybe 2 months in between, either going to my loctician or retwisting my hair myself. This year, the last 6 months, I definitely, when I did this retwist, I did this retwist last week. I did this myself, and it was like in between. I think I went like 3 or 4 months in between. I will say my hair was very dirty. My scalp was dirty, and that's just because I put a lot of product in my hair trying to combat the front of my hair. I'm going to insert some pictures and stuff so you guys can see. I just did not like the way the front of my hair was so loose. Like, the loose hair was ridiculous. So right now, like I said, I did a retwist. I want to say it's last week. It's either last week or it's been a week and a half. And it's like a baby afro. So I was very frustrated, and I had an appointment to do interlocking with my loctician and exploring that and seeing if that can help. Because the back of my hair is like the roots, even when the roots grow out, it's just not like loose hair. Like, it just felt like, it just seemed like my hair, I didn't have locks. I felt like I just had like a afro and with some knotted hair on the end, like, seriously. And that's just how I felt, and I felt very unattractive. And I definitely haven't had a lot of time to really take care of myself and dress myself up and things like that. So keeping my eyebrows and my nails and my hair done was what I did last year, to just try to still feel good about myself. And if I didn't have a fresh retwist, the front of my hair was horrible. Like, even now, like, even after like a week, it would have already just been starting to look like a bush. The hair would have been coming apart, and it was just really discouraging me, because I'm like, geez, like, how long do I have to wait for this? I know I'm gonna have new growth, period. I understand that, but it just seemed like the locking process wasn't going up the lock. So just a closer This is actually 2 locks. This is something that I did over the course of time. I have started combining locks. The front of my locks are extremely small and skinny. And I just wanted to have a stronger base for them. So like this one, it's pretty much all together except for this last little part now. So I just retwisted. When I retwisted my hair, I started retwisting them together. So this is one that I did. This is one, and I did the one here, and I did the one also on this side. So these are the 3 that I did. So right now they look like they all have extra ends on them, but they're coming together nicely. If you may notice at the roots of all my front of my hair, like, I'm gonna tell you right now, warning, okay? I'm not telling anybody to do this. I'm not encouraging anybody to do this. And this was my personal preference. And honestly, if I didn't do this, I would have cut my hair. I was going to cut my locks out and start all the way over. It was just that serious. I just hated the way my hair looked, and I had to, and then the baby afro was so darn thick that I literally had to put product and all kind of stuff in it to get it to maneuver. Like, it just didn't look cute at all. Even after a fresh retwist, I just wasn't happy, and I wasn't able to keep with my interlocking appointment at that time. And I was like, what am I going to do? And like, just in the middle of the night, y'all, I woke up and I knotted my locks. So I found out about knotting my locks for thin locks. As I told y'all, my locks originally, like this one was extremely thin. There was a whole thin patch here, which you can tell where it's much thinner here, but it's getting a lot better. This used to be like super thin, y'all. Super thin. So me being the DIY person that I am, I went to YouTube and like what to do about thin locks. And that's why I came across a video where a couple of them where they tied a knot where it was thin at. And so I had already started doing that. So, and I thought about it, like it hit me like it was like early in the morning. I'm like, I'm about to knot my roots. Again, I do not recommend this. Speak with your loctician. Don't do, this is my hair. I've been doing my hair. I cut my own hair when I went natural in 2013. I cut my hair bald. Okay. So I know that my hair can grow. It's not that serious for me anymore. If I mess something up, I'll just start over. That's just me and where I'm at in my life. Like if I want something right, then I'm going to do it. And I was like, I couldn't go to the interlocking appointment, and I do plan on researching some videos myself to see if possibly I can learn how to interlock myself, because that's just me. I'm a DIY person. I like to do my own hair. My loctician is great. I'll put her information down below if you're ever in the South Carolina area and would like someone to do your locks. I highly recommend her, and she knows there's no love lost when I retwist my own hair. That's just me saving money. And I just like to be in my own hair, and I really wanted to focus on getting my grid back together. And she did a great job last time she retwisted my hair. Once I expressed my concerns to her about my grid, she did a great job, and then I just kept it going by doing it myself. But what I did was literally just take my hair. I took the hair, all this, like the first 2 rows are all like this. I'm gonna see if I can get insert a close-up video so y'all can see it. Like this one is bad. You can see where I made the knot. Like it doesn't look that good. See that big hump? This is the only one that kind of came out raggedy. But I took all that hair and I just take my hair and I made a knot. I made a knot, and normally, like I said, I've been making knots like in the middle to combat the thin lots, but I made it right at the roots, and I knotted my hair. The first 2 rows are all knotted, and I've been happy ever since. I've been happy ever since. I did that maybe 2 months ago. And I've been happy ever since with my hair. And then now that I've retwisted, it looks even better. Like I don't regret it whatsoever. I would not do it again. I'm going to actually start looking up interlocking videos, or either rebook my appointment with my loctician. Because I don't think that's the right thing to do. I don't know, but it worked for me. And in that moment, y'all, I was literally like, I'm going to cut my hair off. Like, that's just how I felt. I was so frustrated. my retwists were not, it just seemed like my retwists were not lasting at the roots of my front of my hair. And I just don't want a bush of hair. Like, I'm cool with my locks not being uniform. I love sister locks. I love the grid. I love the uniformity. And if I said if I had cut my hair, that's what I was going to get. I was going to cut it all off and make the investment for sister locks, because I like that uniformity. I do. But I love my hair. Like, I can't sit here and say I don't like my hair, my current hair. I really do. It looks layered, and they're different sizes, and they're not uniform, but it's cute, and I like it. And now I am in love. I'm in love since I done that. So and I just think, like, it just shaped my face better. It's made my locks look better. And now that I actually see it with a fresh retwist, I'm in love. So things that I am going to be working on, though, with my locks upcoming is these. I have 2 of these short locks. I think I discussed with you guys before. In the last video, when I got box braids with my locks, I lost these 2 locks right here. And so they have grown since the last video. They are growing, but I'm thinking, I'm going to do lock extensions and put some extensions on those 2. I'm thinking about it. I can pretty much tuck them away, so I might not. It really doesn't bother me that bad, but I might tuck them away. How I have my hair now is how I'm manipulating my hair. This is, oh, I got makeup on my I'm glad it's the end of the day. This is the style that I'm going for. I have been following a lot of beautiful ladies on Instagram and their locks. If you have locks, or you have a locks page, or know someone I should follow or like, or someone who's an inspiration to you, definitely leave them in the comments down below. I would love to check them out and see them. But I start following these ladies, and I do not know this girl's name. I'm going to see if I can find it and post a picture. But I fell in love with her locks. And more specifically, the way she wore her locks. So she has her locks manipulating to the side, just like this. I think hers go a little farther back, like more of the hair in the back to the side. But this is how I have it. This is how deep I have it going. And all the rest to the side. This is the way that I want to manipulate my locks. I do sometimes put my locks up in a ponytail, the whole front, especially when I am doing, I'm working, because I sweat a lot. So I put my locks up. But for the most part, when they're down, this is how I want to wear them. Then I've just established this is how I want to wear my locks. I love this comb over style. This side part, I think it's cute. I love the way it falls. Sometimes this bunches up, and it just falls different, and it's cute, and I really like it. And like I said, I'm trying to find her, because I can't think of her name, and put sorry. And put a picture of her locks on here. And so I've been retwisting my hair in this manner. So this is exactly how I retwisted my hair. So if you want to see a video on how I wash my locks and how I retwist my locks, just let me know, and I will post that. So at least one video a month will be about locks. So I definitely can do that. If you want to see all the products and stuff that I use, definitely just let me know, and I'll make that video. But yeah, this is the way I retwisted my locks, just like this, in this manner, for these to twist down this way, these twist over. And that's what I'm going to be working on, maintaining this style, this comb over style, to see how this blossoms. And yeah, that's pretty much it. At this point in my journey, there's only a few locks that are not, like, mostly the front of my hair. The back of my hair, a lot more of them have the rounded tips. A lot of my front hairs either still has, see, this one still has a curly, and some of them just have loose hair. So that, I'll be very happy when those all kind of round out, and all those loose hairs are kind of attaching themselves, the shed hair attaching themselves, and they make the round at the end. I don't know what's officially called, the ball at the end. I do notice, though, that I do get a lot of shed hair. Like, gosh, like, I see a lot. And I mean, locks is naturally just really just dead hair that's just locking into each other. Not really dead, you know, whatever. But I've just noticed a lot more. I was having a lot more hair just seeming to pop off, but I do think that was a moisture issue. using, this video is getting long, so I'll do a separate video. Like I said, it's gonna be a lock video every month. So for if you're out there and you're watching me for the lock videos, know that now you're gonna have one every month. And if you didn't watch my last video, I explained my new schedule and what I'm gonna try to bring to you guys. So everything that everybody's here to see, because I'm not just one rounded person, so I'm not just gonna film one thing. I've never wanted to do that. My locks are part of my life, so you will get a video. So I'll update you guys. I'll do a moisture video, I'll do a wash video, and different things like that, so you can actually see those products. This is supposed to be a short update, and it's not. So that is it, you guys. It's been your girl, MissRessaT. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything at all about locks, or if it's suggestions for another video about anything, just let me know. Hit me up. Follow me on all my social media networks. It's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches.